Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You sign in and go straight to YouTube Studio to begin. This avoids extra navigation. Once there, choose an existing video or start a new upload so you can access the editor. Make sure you pick the correct language and visibility settings first because stickers can change viewer reactions. They should match intent. Open the editor panel, then click the thumbnails or timeline to position where the sticker will appear. This first step gets you into the exact editing mode you need. Now add a sticker from the Elements or Sticker menu. This is where you choose from shapes, emojis, or custom uploads. Drag it onto the preview and use corner handles to resize or rotate. Make sure it doesn't block important visuals. Once placed, set the duration on the timeline so it appears and disappears at the right moments, and use layering to keep it in front or behind other assets. If you want consistency, copy the sticker and paste it across multiple clips. Finish by previewing the entire video to confirm sticker timing, size, and whether it distracts from audio or visuals. Do this twice at normal playback speed. Once satisfied, save your edits and either publish or schedule the video. If you encounter an issue where a sticker does not show or is misaligned, clear your browser cache, reload YouTube Studio, and re-add the sticker. Make sure you're using a supported browser and that no conflicting overlays exist. That troubleshooting
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.